testele samala testele tring ni chu re la ane ga zo dango chapter physics ki chapter thangbu che ine textbook na chapter gewa motion di cha ra ta di ga zo part chi yo dina la video ta youtube na la tang ye part chi facebook na la share chi ye mo di che ane ta tanda nge khala ya na dango di lobje ta physics ki chapter ni wa force and laws of motion ko ma zum ya na 비교 가르치에 나는 로투소 아니 소소 남가 대회 갑라 예예 가서 네버다 디나신게 예예라 needy persons in deorata robot 공예 리트죠 믹스기 gem보다 야야 냠다다 인데 여러 다 이제 고야도 대단한 좀 예제 다 되어라 담사디도 맥로 되어라 이제 난 배바 가시나 강에 뒤에서 스타한다 딘데라 로파치투나 야 수수 다 수수 담자 메네 셴바 가왔데네 여바치고 많이 마 수수 예나 야가 수이네 라 김제 야가이네 레야 셴바 수이네 아니 가연주 로파낭로낭 다 초바 가시지 더 로파낭단단도 돼 다이네야 참말에 캡규메 가시 아니 가시 하디요서레 아니 아주 믹스기 배바든조 땅 아주 된 쳇부도 지라 되나 갸이나 민보 친구체 아니 다 또도 당신이 줄로 되는데다 혼자 대사면다 줄로 되 호스 되었지 혼자 라도다 아주 배박하신 가라간 잠지야 가디 소소 강에 튀겨도 this in this 고도다 냐 this 강에 튀겨와 아니 가 소소 로바 치도요나 가연 중에 로바 치도나 아니 근데 거나 숨다다 당아서 코로나 라디 네부디 다 네디 아니 compassion 참제 당 아니 science ki tablang tone theory ki tablang tone ani tu res tadila tu ngajo yingchi ke ne ani ye yo la suna kange ti yo ne ro panang ro nang ti bigi ya ta ngajo chapter ni wa the force and laws of motion ko chue physics ke chapter ni wa force and laws of motion 당고 가서 chapter 당고 the physics की chapter खड़े में motion ले देगा motion लाना object ची यानी move ची देगा ची ता move ची देगा कब लाया perception ता तंग यानी माचो कॉल लेता जा मत तो अपना लंगा तो ता यानी physical quantity खासे ला speed होगा खासे ला velocity होगा खासे ला यानी करे speed with direction होगा खासे ला acceleration होगा खासे ला acceleration मेको खासे ला uniform motion दोंगे खासे ला non uniform motion दो so दी इंदु बना दी समां तो जांचा तो next ना chapter देना object move चाहिए दी सुरेश force दी सुरेश move चाहिए कोई किंसे खाने force दी खाने दे ना तो बना तो chapter next दी ता link motion चला जा कोई किंसे दी object di move chi ko gumje object di motion na la do chu gumje di sugi effective ore si cause chi wala na force ki chi ore sna so we need an effort the effort na the effort dikhari de force effort dikhare na force to change the body state of motion na ma chu kala ore tenda screen di da ma state of motion kare object mani ga ji state of motion kare at rest into the motion la motion na into the rest la ya motion na into the speed increase che motion na into the speed decrease che motion na into the speed zero che da ya uniform accelerated motion da non uniform accelerated motion la the changma an kare state of motion chik la duwa the di su go res na ma chu effort chi go res ta object de la cause change go res ta di cause change dikhai de la na force so cheza ma chu the chapter de la force che ani first half the force code che di de la laws of motion de force la de be ra force the link ane laws of motion sum yo or di changa che 남자 okay ta ma zo force chapter de la motion ni do force che de ne laws of motion ta tang bo force ta ye jing de ge wa na jang force like the pressure da zo kala mang jang gi jang sa de ge wa na ra ta anda ma symbol to ne force lana khares. Force is a push or pull. Pena ball the object reda. Pena ball the object. Ta negi ya yuna ane ball ya yugyo di push chasa push. Ya yugyo di ball ya yugyo di push. Ane ngala tanda gelek tu yusa o die khare push. Kai pull lana pena manzo negi di screen details ya kyana kachare pull. Dina shin na zo chongpa ne ya chute na pull. Dina shin na zo ke kangpe na mo na draw kasa table kala draw de smart na pull. So force lana manzo ki force ki thonga yo mare chore re an dina shin ki effect to effective object na. So force lana yana push re yana kare pull res object na apply to pushing, hitting, pulling ta continuous form na to pushing manzo pena lob keras lob tu da chindena de ngare nangla de tu gala ani haj pingya chunga ji na che chi de bugya tang ba na pushing char hitting la de gala pena manzo tiba bana ani sewash tunga hitting dene pulling la de gala da kabar go chi tu gale pull go industry kale manzo ka chure nangro chi tu gala pull di action du changma kare force and the call at lana objects la objects are ways of bringing objects in motion la to kala object move chia la manzo force apply chibores ba chida chido pushing hitting pulling mabor okay then example dragging a toy car pushing de chemu toy car in chemu ji do chemu je ki car in ani wa de la thapa chtam ena ngen thapa yo ki yo ani de twin ru do twin so twin kala car de twin na khachare pull so dragging a car is the object de la force apply chips. Then kicking a ball la du kala ta manzo pena imagine tanda kinju nang la chini du bor. Then football sing ji and football ko ma chu na ki le shal do. A di jela a team di pha shuru ji do. So di du kala player du ki ball la kick shu kala player di kala ball la force apply chips. Kick chu ka chu re push chu. Then crossing a door. Go ya chudu pull ra. Go ma yadu push. Okay. So this ladu kala so door, ball, cart into objects. Object into la kar chigore force apply chigore. So the force ki thanda bo se effective do. Cart de pe stationary to rest to chuna cart de do. So the effects kicking the ball la the ball de pe thangal sha to na kick china ball the roll chin do. Okay. Dina shin ki do go che shagyo di ane ne sene akachi de push china ane door de la effect akachi to close chida so then to sama force res then force can change the magnitude increasing or decreasing of the velocity of the body na so velocity chapter gang sara speed with direction na velocity kana ta object move chidu kala so force apply chidu kala ani velocity increase chijures decrease chijures when dragging of a toy car la to push into the car in this drag chive kala tango kare gobo tuwe na rada tango stationary velocity zero rate ne tuwe jela and the should chase force apply chine ka tuna kachi le chochik la borda velocity direction kanara so chochik kora na continuous in the should kane tuna tango le and should apply chain and kachigre increasing magnitude velocity magnitude the increase changes and decrease la de thinking drive the correct stationary la ta dene pull chira kala thambo kara shukchu the chochik la dena ba du na ta di chana khali the so di la du kala ani force the kaza object the velocity decrease your chisa so object the yana body the velocity decrease che the increase che the switch to re na force the chitures force the change chitures then it's the force can change the direction of the object when I ball the you know to the roll okay pena the and this roll teacher tanya khachire su teacher so dila du kala force ke tengi in this judu kala ball de tenema direction to da de and a chidu. Tange and a sushir. So force apply chidu kala kachire direction change chidu res. It can change the direction of the object. Then a force can change the shape and size of the object. Then a ball did the door. A ball that again sirde. Sirsa. So sirtu kala shape change res, size change to res. Then also imagine spring. Into spring tonura. So spring the ingene ka into the coil into the stay na. Then in tena a spring the ring juda. So the ladu kala spring the and size the increased user. Then I think you promote into the kasa rubber band lagatu kala rubber ngene kare tears to. Also Tatupuri and Dinashing Koranism Tapo Tampo rubber stress cheater. So the Latukana shape change size increase cheater. So the Kachura also in the Kachure pull Judu Kala or Toto rubber band della Kachure force apply Chibures. Okay, next the types of force. That's the types of force. Jamayore and Geva di Jamate, Sheba Jamare, the and the laws of motion and Geva Jamio the body repeatedly. And the Dinana types of force la balanced force, the unbalanced force. When an object applied with two equal forces from opposite direction, then the object will not move. Such force is called as a balanced force. Okay. Ta anda mani kare force apply to ball dela. Nye ki force di chola direction apply chisa. Dene gela ki two opposite force apply chisa. So opposite force object dela apply chita. Ta mani shuk chikpa gas magnitude chikpa force chikpa gya du kala object di move chi mi da. O dinje ki force ni di chik opposite chik pha gap chik chu gya du opposite direction gap object dela. So dila the object move machina state of motion change machina then the state of motion kara at rest so change in the tintegi force the khale balanced force. That dinashing unbalanced force lana when an object is applied with different magnitudes from opposite sides, then the object will move in the direction along the greater force is applied. Okay, so dila tu nge force the direction dira gela ki force to direction the ball the two move chisa two move chitu kala object de la force apply chitu unbalanced force chis nge dene pa gya gyo dida dene chu gya tu kala gela ki force gya gyo di shukche yeza ani unbalanced dida di force the unbalanced in the object the state of motion change so think is stationary ne kare motion kar ta de remotion ni de jo ani concept lela charge. Okay, tambo tinga so balanced force. When an object, okay, object box chiga na, then a force apply chis F1. Then a two force chick apply chis F2. Okay. Then a force apply chitu kala, then a shush kya box there box the kare object deta. Object lane dire, body lane dire. Okay. So then a force chick apply chis. And paji opposite side ne force chick apply chis F1 to F2 lo ani chasa. So then a power force kya kyo shuk dida, then also SI unit that then sama do da. Then a power force chick apply chikyo dida, then a two force apply chikyo box dala shukni di chikwa chadu box di ngene state of motion raja there. Then the state of motion kare at rest. Force apply chine, doctor ngene force apply chine and kare state of motion rest raja there. So dide ki force te lakha le balanced force. Niwa unbalanced force inas 100 ore tana object box che ta dene di chone force check apply chis F1 dene 2 force check apply chis F2 okay ta box di thambo kare initial state di at rest ta dene force check apply che F1 dene 2 force check apply che ne khede box di chola move china displaced di chola move china box di chola move china khata tyongore di force di shukche di force di correct chuma so the ajo suppose and ajo SI unit to give the 10 che 20 che in this right now 10 10 cancel cha dene shukche ra dene shukche 10 10 cancel cha ne ta 10 10 na do so dila di F2 di shukche do so dila di box di chola move chi tu kala inde ki force de la kala ile unbalanced force to F1 the F2 chena F2 di shukche za box di chola move chis in the direction of the force like kaise F di chena box di pa move chis so force ki direction the object ki direction chochi la chatu so that is called as a balanced force the unbalanced force ta jo force ki SI unit kare newton and symbol SI unit hande steel lanasra and force ki symbol di capital N T ta handa ma de number test or magnitude so the 10 newtons the correct 20 newtons so the 10 newtons the 20 newtons the 10 newtons la tu kala F1 ka to 10 newtons F2 20 newtons so 20 newtons minus and khachele 10 newtons and F2 minus F1 la tu kala total khachol ha so la 10 newtons ha sa remaining F is equal to so object de la force ka jo exert chile net force ka jo exert chile 10 so de la tu kala object di chola move chi ko dumje this so the force ki direction through the and then I think the object there di chola move chesa so force ki direction ta ane kaza object ki motion ki direction chik and force the chopping to so the logical force the vector quantity res object the kai chola move chi so part so chu so la to and the force chuk che dene ge ga so the logical force ki direction the object ki motion ki direction chik pa inja so force ki direction and force la direction tingu to okay kai chola apply chi ne so vector quantity so ma to F symbol to the F and ganga elastic vector quantity ta the balance force re la na 100 re pena for F1 the 5 newtons apply chilta F2 the 5 newtons apply chil so dila tu gala F1 ne F2 tene F2 ne 1 tene re so dila tu gala 5 newtons minus 5 newton is equal to 0 chara so that is net force is equal to 0 chara so dila tu object de la force apply chi me cha and state of motion change here so that is called as a balanced force the correct unbalanced force the unbalanced force the kenama to applied force lega applied unbalanced force okay unbalanced force can change either number 1 the speed of the moving object or the direction of its motion again I say unbalanced force ta gang da wa da la gang ki condition balance force la achido object ranjan dingwa at rest into kala object ki velocity kare 0 force apply chine and net force the 0 is object ki velocity de 0 direction de change yamar the second condition unbalanced force apply chidu kala kajire tambo stationary kala velocity 0 ra dene force chi apply chidu kala velocity produce chira the produce chira gala bone thende hanzo motor car chitang de na 0 ne tambo 0 into kala rest into kala ani kala velocity 0 ra dene kala motor dana motor on engine on motor tamdu kala speed reading li ro automatic na and then ani accelerator push chine apply chine accelerator apply chine ka chire accelerate speed increase chira so dila du kala engine la car ki engine la force apply chire exam ka chire object ki speed है increase chires yana ball chi era gitne ne kick shoot ra ball se derta football and kick shoot ne the ball the roll chires ra roll do dekho dikala ball shoot chest shoot kala dengi speed dele mama and speed increase chir speed control so dila dikala force ki speed increase chitu res lar object drona mado speed yomara then next the all direction of its motion dengi chi na chi pena ta football se kabla team ni ane team ke player tango di team tango di play chi ball in the shoe aina aje di atu ne susu ki goal ma jwe chi dola ka du kala ball shunge ni ma shunge di na team tango chi in the shoe kala ball ta ye shoe da end do aina ai team shamba team b di ane opponent chi ki shoe kala ball di pha do si right dene bhai dosi chue ranje rongsi ra so dela de kala direction of motion de change chidu da di kare chi bore unbalanced force tenki kick shunge di force da ani niwa opponent niwa di force di kare shuk chechum loga chumuza direction ball di direction changes okay next what happens when some children push the example what happens when some children push desk with small force on a rough floor ta do kenzo jindena na phazu desk ugia tang ji ga desk change do chi so seat phazu desk such a change ji ga so and bugia tang do tu kala khaje gi de phasa desk bugia tang do kala push chi dum da bugyo ga ge da khaje gi push chi ne this chi mu chi ane so so bagi pyosa de la le dum da okay so de la de kala small force la de force use kya ta di rough flow la de kala khasa shala di rokro do chena uneven do chena a didi kana ma jo kya do ta plane chi kya do kala a global ta di khachin res la do kala ya de la unbalanced force chigle or contest la do kala chide kya la ja ya shala di desk ki kamba de la kale to opposing force chi kya or di kale frictional force so frictional force di shuk che ta kera gi ani ha shuk ge de chuma ya frictional force di khachale unbalanced force gyagyo kera ki tis gyagyo dida pani gyagyo dine total dine cancer cha hoye cha an phajo di shukche net di phajo ni shukche chungyo za kare test di push chi to mar ta kesi rang ki push chi tu na khala ore kera ki overcome chi friction ki ground ki chu frictional force gyagyo da rang ki gyagyo chi tu rang ki ka chi cha ta rang ki gyagyo di khacha le unbalanced force okay so desk does not move the kanchi shear of friction acting in the direction opposite to the push. Can I push together to flow the opposite frictional force applied to this? So in order to move the desk, the children have to apply greater unbalanced force. That desk is also such a watching children okay. So the kachare or the unbalanced force desk the kachare object char. Okay, now next the effects of force. Think about efforts. Object move la force chick apply res la sa kam ki what chapter motion jana ta for motion the context move object the context move re yana state of motion context change rest ne motion ne and rest and ne speed increase the decrease the direction change the then some switch na force apply change res la sa mixing force khari de unbalanced force okay the force apply china force thum mares na jogira and result ha gores effects object de la result ha gores the result khande khande to force apply china result khande to thong res na then set a stationary object into motion object rest at rest chila force apply china ako move cheese the state of motion changes at rest to motion. So all these three produce chile effect the produce chile na force ki, that is one effect. Then by applying force to a stationary ball, creating ball to move. Then a ball the is jadu kalanta maybe force applied china bachire and the at rest, state of motion at rest. The force applied china and a ball the move chisa. So the kala ball the motion so we can say the three effect is lana force kites. Next, stop a moving object. Stop a moving object, that is by applying a force on a moving ball and ball stops. Okay. The ball the okay. Now next by applying a force on a moving ball and ball stops ladugala ball move chi dekyo chigla ngegi ene chene ball move chi dekyo chila force apply china tangen la left force apply chirda ani ball de stop chisa so de ladugala object moved chi dekyo chila force apply china stop chi res pena ta car do dekyo tela ani brake apply china khachire car di stop chira right yana hold chira so that is force chik apply china object move de chi dekyo chila force chik apply china stop chi res lar okay ta dinashin ge ma jo football chira football chi kala play chik ball de kick shoot a phajo di khachire ball combine des chen ka ta this goal ma ju chi ka so de la du second player di khachire force apply chine moving ball di stop chi so the moving ball di force apply chi sa second di karsa second player di so that is effect ni wa so change the speed of a moving body then by hitting a moving ball and its speed increases ball do dekyo ball it is roll chine do dekyo chala gole force apply china speed increase chisa so dil adu kala by hitting a ball moving ball and its speed increases ball ne ne kick shoot sa gyo ji ana ne gi hit chi sa gyo ji do dekyo chala gole shoot chess chik shoot kala kachi so speed increase chisa so that is a third effect. Fourth effect the change direction of a moving body. By applying a force on a moving ball in such a way that its direction changes. Okay. Think example the draw na by applying a force on a moving ball roll chin draw there the force apply ball roll chin draw there force apply and direction change. Think you rolled in the stoda. Yeah, that is china. Pajochal dosa nge force into apply china direction change res lar. Last the change dimensions lara. Okay, if I squeeze this ball, it changes its shape. So dimension change res lana ball then the spherical shape doa. Ta nge force apply chis. Push chira side nicha ne push chisa. So that is dimension change res shape changes and size changes the dimension that you width height kare ne this ama change and force apply to the object ki dimension change res so this ma dikhale effects of force object la so force la du thong thu mares in a object la duash ti res ra effect chik ti res o dikhare la na force res la. Okay, the next the Newton's law of motion. Now kanzo force ka chita za ta ine chapter kanza link yo da